do you think that person mean well for Ndi Igbo?
I will. Ima, you are right.
30 years ago.
You are right. Imana, I work in different way of understanding things, and I ain't about the same. So these people have to be put through what I go. Electure has diplomatically, Pobata has one. Ima, why will anger will spoil things? Ima go according to what I care. What I go. I know that here Adroma, that word Adroma actually, whether you're a Christian or Muslim or whatever you believe in, or Duroma, what I go. So I hear Jim Makada, who made mistake, when you will push away. All of them are our brothers and sisters. We have to bring them in. What I go forgive we move. Nobody's perfect. After Monday attack Matthias. Even as was in alphabet, in the many of the bloggers can appoint Matthias and they use my pictures here, day in, day and night, which you can testify to. You want to
I can put your picture and talk about you. It depends on what I'm saying about you. I can put your picture. I can put your picture and talk about what you said. What you said. Are you going to deny your own word? Are you going to deny your own word if I put your picture and they discuss based on what you said? Are you going to deny?
No, I can't. No.
Then no. The picture. Allegation.
No. That one I draw my. I condemn it.
Yes.
Now my condemn it.
I continually say you can call Ebukobi, but it depends on what you are saying about him. You can call his name. If I were for about here, but it depends on what you are saying about him. Cover these people by any way.
Wait,
educate. Honor. Because no one will go see me. Because
you are right. But okay, where do we go from here? I continue now this struggle. Maybe he has one day.
No.
All of us are
we must not do the same thing. We must not do the same thing. But what I am saying is, whatever thing I make, Omenala Igbo, with the foundation of Omenala Igbo.
No, I don't do Omenala.
The foundation of Christianity today. So why must we take it to the point of bringing Ndu N'ime? Why will our people be taking it to the Biachidebele? This thing come down again, I will block you. I show me man, they want my supporter or not. If you tell me to come down again, I will block you. I show me man, they want my supporter or not. As I was saying, whatever thing I name in this app, we should be conscious of what we are saying. We should also be careful about what we are supporting. Let me be honest with you. I have to be honest with you. These so-called people who push this agenda of Omenala Igbo, some of them are taking it too much. And that is why we decide here, I will take this matter. I will take a lot of videos. I will take a lot of inbox. I will take a lot of comments and screenshots. I will combine them together in a flash. And I will gladly go and hand it over to Senator Patrick Ifaniba. Let him have a look. People cannot come and call a spade. A spade. In this app, 2 days ago, or was it 3 days ago, can see a screenshot. What's something? No, send the message in inbox. Na inbox. Send their picture Joe. Send their picture Ogechi. Okay. Same now when they are through with these two people, that they will come for me. The guy, as far as them that no, then I will leave. In fact, after Shalo, screenshot, post something about it. That guy, but continue to he said there is a slogan of a particular corp.
Instead of you show remorse of Ioklu, Oduroma is not good. You
know. Simple J browser about this corp that they are everywhere. Onye mechi one, Ketepa Bawukwageba. Onye mechi one, Ketepa nwanne Bawukwageba. Otore nwanne Bawukwageba Hanofia. Nchepie imi eba. Nchepie imi eba.
na this thing be here because see what the way this thing are both to men and both Christians or whatever. We are taking
now, even na shock you malo ebe these people you and the guy you are talking about that guy you are talking about that guy you are talking about I'm the guy you are talking about. Come block one at this page immediately self. Well, another page now he will malo interest will prepare na mind the some of these people because onye can you when they buy will share the kind of message Hannah pass out to people because you may be saying it for saying sake. A more that they have prepare the mind of people. A lot of people are taking you serious, and that is how Matthias has succeeded in raising a group of monsters. But he doesn't know he has raised a group of monsters or prepare go mind of our people ready to commit evil, but he doesn't know. Now, this guy, they share this thing. This guy, okay, Chidebere Jude, thank you for being part of this page. Peter Jude, thank you for being part of this page. Bye bye. More people. Gosino Moon, Kelonya Defa, Ogagwa Ades Ibe, thank you very much. Thank you very much. More people. Gosino Moon, more. As we go and sleep. Thank you very much. Educate. One way is high time. Thank you. It's high time. It's high time. Now, mweti that screenshot na Facebook. If you will go say how evil somebody somewhere prepare go mind of our people. A lot of people when they share that conversation, educate. All we go do never empty as we take it. All we go do never empty. Yeah, not empty, not an empty threat. Oh.
How can Libya show sign of remorse or at least some more?
Thank you.
You forget not just for fun. I know.
You see now some people
will continue to repeat after you must have told him that, oh guy, this is not good. We'll repeat.
I am not even talking about that guy. Hear me out first. I'm not talking about the OPK sending that message. I am talking about how our people suena for Joe now. Educate Urugodu Matthias. Kamadu Melu such kind of utterances against Ma Potani condemn. Even made you condemn
you are right.
You are right. Elubo to the point of Madu Ide issue threat to Ndoma.
You didn't want anything in common. You haven't done any business with him or her. Yeah, I understand.
Thank you. Now, somebody will put on you when they if any now, where Jab Banasi, Esugoni Wonyala, Esugoni Wonka, Ogoni, empty threat, Ogoni, now we're one. So, meaning no young support if that guy Idelu. Meaning no young support if that guy Idelu. If we go to us, we prepare go the mind of our people, educate. If we go how bad I corrupt to go the mind of our people. Na matter ya fusiebe and a threaten on to matter ipe on our support to any threaten on to matter ipe. Meaning na nyama for opportunity. Oh yeah, you take it away. That is the level of monsters. Somebody not somewhere a business. Nanambra State. Practical. And I think enough is more than enough.
Okay, anyway, just as you rightly said, I picked some points from what you said. But the point, remember that rain is falling everywhere. All of us have gone astray in one way or the other. And don't forget that humans, are biased, but we are brothers and sisters. All of us are biased in one way or the other. It's only that we protect interests. But on the line, difficult to dish out the truth, especially
I'm not biased.
I know. It's a part of all of us have that in one way or the other. But the point remains that I've known you for years, so it's okay. The point is now some of this threatening or whatever you are seeing is just mere threatening. But at the same time, those people have the opportunity to make that thing happen. They can do that, which is very wrong. Or screenshot or bring those people to book, because I believe that if you commit crime, you're gonna pay for it. So that other people will use you to learn from that.
End their program on blog or their basic. I can
but they follow things because it's good get in touch with them before. Sometimes I might be going astray. You can call me to order. That's why we are humans. Equal brother. Yeah, in fact, almost some people on Facebook, but today we are 5 and 6. So it can happen. So those people, sometimes people are facing so many challenges. Some of them are frustrated, Sometimes they dish out their anger to people. That's why people are that aggressive. Now, bam, bam, on Facebook or do. So because I want me or be threat to life today or any country other acceptable. Never. So because just relax all your mind. They may change. Since they come to your inbox and send message, they'll have message, brother, can you withdraw this statement or whatever? Then what are we whatever we have people second chance.
I am not here to patronize any animal inside the hall. I have no go to you. We have gone so far for me to be worried about if one somewhere.
I know.
I can only make that person to smell and take a pill of his own bitterness. That is the only thing I can guarantee that person. But I will go He's a joker. He's a joker.
The same thing. We don't my inbox here by phone. Hannah been inbox now. For the happy come over now. Bamba. But I do laugh at them because they don't know what they are doing. What also I am fully. I don't see it as anything because I'm not don't go forward those things to some certain people, because try go to reach individually.
Educate. Forget about that one. Educate. You know how long on a member at this program. Natural cannot caution these people. No, you are being too soft. You are being too soft. I'm trying to know if I can reshape the mind of these people.
And those people, I always ask them, you can come online and tell people what.
Education. Now, this thing I name it is not a matter of life and death.
You know how we started this thing before. Now, you know how we started this Facebook of 18.
It is all about my ideology versus your ideology. I must not force you to do what I am doing. I must not force myself to do what you are doing. But you can try to convince me. I can try to convince you. Yes. I can try to convince you. You can try to convince me. But because of the level, the level and the area, had this message take you to. Some of them are beginning to take it to even to Madodo. And they need to be taken care of. Authorities need to be aware of what they are doing.
I think, when we started this thing with like Iwaji, even Ijele on school. Yeah, now just a normal debate. I think we are the ones started the people into the program. All of a sudden, people hijack it is obviously religious war. So it's unfortunate. And just like rightly say, him and Owen on our phone last time, no was something in our plan before the incident that took place happened. So, which are some of the things he may mention, but I'm not really happy about the development because as much as we want to bring people to our this thing, I need to follow in normal process. At least if bring up other people, they know what they are coming in, not just bringing them to, opposing oil like tout or whatever. It doesn't work. So I need to speak to both parties, religious leaders, pastors as well, whatever they call themselves. They also have to talk to their member. You can see some churches or group of persons have make it a kind of duty. They are attacking people. Some of us that claim to be Christian, the way we attack people, you know, so when they say heaven. Or not likewise, the other people of Omenala that want to protect our interest. Yeah?
Let me tell you the truth. Naga is the reason why some of our brothers from Omenala side misbehave. Una doesn't know are you willing to come? No doubt. Are you willing to come? No doubt. But can you tell me any who's the highest thing here say a pastor or only if I can say which is each police now
last time police, army. It's better. You want peace by calling police, yeah. Yeah, maybe just as I'm saying, this every this problem when at this war individual, maybe the people we are looking up onto, those people are the subordinate or loyal to, even our pastors, our Omenala leaders, our religious leaders. Or these are the people who need to talk to their followers. What a pastor will come and address the followers. The Omenala will come and address their followers. So at the end of the day, I achieve one goal. Peace. Okay.
Let's say they go be as a religious leader. Can you picture followers here? Can you picture followers here?
Okay, that's a good question. I'm sorry, I'm not a party to anybody. I'm a Christian, but I believe in humanity, whatever. I'm also a follower of the Omenala because I don't see them worshiping idol or whatever. But the point remains that you see that a couple of years ago, I'm with different pastors, different bishops or whatever. Likewise, even in that Omenala, but all of a sudden, of late, or those are some groups of churches or Omenala or whatever. Because their name is antagonized, now so we don't really know what happened. And some of these religious pastors or whatever, they failed to come in and address the price. You can see that it's not the way Christianity has to be practiced. Always so many pastors are born before. Even TB Joshua, what only born at TB Joshua? All you bad people.
Can you tell me exactly what you want Ebukobi to tell his members?
Okay, it's not only Ebukobi now. Okay, let me use it Ebuka as our brother, our wonderful brother. Ebuka should come in and tell people. I don't know whether he watches Facebook, or whether on idea what is happening in Facebook. But the point remains that some of the people that claim to be the followers of Ebuka, the Zionites, the way they attack people, but I call them, they are not Zionites. Because I haven't seen Ebuka preaching violence. In other words, these people are charlatans. They are just attached to Zion to constitute nuisance to the society. They have no business with Zion. Some of them have not stepped their foot into Zion. They don't have any encounter with God. So they are not Zions. They are not attaching that name because Zion is the moving wagon for now to create content or whatever they call it. So now I'm expecting the religious leader. Oh, this country is a bullshit. So I'm expecting this minister or whatever to address this issue. Tell people that anybody that is fighting for me in Facebook or whatever doesn't belong to me. I didn't employ them, so that those people
in other words, if you show who the Zion members, they should not reply to the person.
Okay, let's put it in this way. Please, Uche, one of our brothers, Uche, I condemn threats to life at all. It's not done in any country. I condemn it at all. Please, I'm not supposed to. Look at what I'm saying here. Yeah, just like you rightly say, often normal be pastor. Some group in the use my name. Now cause problem somehow. See, the God I'm serving is not God of violence. that I didn't pay anybody to come and defend me. That that God I'm serving is enough to defend me.
Problem
no, actually, me finish with Ejike once and for all now. Ejike, I to go and question. And I'm Bagali. Mbagali na Bagali. Even na Jogo, if you shock and desire your memory, or
Okay. They really, that's what I say. These people are not Zionite because no more. How many of them are put inside? Okay, now. Okay, before that Zion came in, Opain were back before. For the day when I was small, can be done over Macafade. Even Matthias as well, I've tried to talk to him as well.
For once, have you ever for once taken time to address Matthias and his group? Are you not aware that 80% or 90% of every anime today to cause by
I have done that and I'll still do that again.
You have not done that. Wait, let me finish. You have not done that. You are refusing to do that. The only thing you are good in doing is either a question of ways to go. God bless you. Throw away that teaching away. It doesn't apply anymore. You should tell this zombie. Let me even call him a zombie by his name, Matthias. You should tell him to control his people. You should tell him to control his people. Go myself and contribute to this problem because then I do necessary sentimental man like. Of recent, on Facebook, Nano, every day. When you talk in a people, Matthias. The picture of a Bukobi, more Zion ministry, lay accusation on him. Unanona Korea, Ndesa on the yard, when I have to see you pull get back from on the yard.
So Andrew, care solution to this. I can't continue like this.
Can go a solution before this is a quote.
Empire Azum Jalite Bane, and not Chogodo Maka, the Maya.
The only solution is let us go for constructive criticism. But people be the woman he had the light of Africa. I simply said in that video after Mpuchali Venkuru, Nana challenge he had the light of Africa on a debate. Nana challenge he had the light of Africa on a debate. Thereby, for we in other words, people from Matthias side, they don't want anything debate. They don't.
You might be right. You might be right. From Matthias indirect somehow. All of us accept debate. Just like you actually said.
Education.
I told you before, I'm a Christian and also a man. You can mix the two. They are my brothers. I will not run away from them. I'm from religion. I don't know. Religion is a man-made now. I don't need to fight for religion or fight for any Amado or any God. Far be it from me.
Education complication. Open na complicate. I will leave it. Not complicate.
No, we just want a solution. I just solution.
Solution. Constructive criticism. Education. I'm going to never snack on you.
Okay.
I'm a neighbor. Never snack for obvious. So now.
Go ahead.
So now, who do you caution one that monster? Who do you go like all these years? I build up. Who do you caution all those monsters? What that the society we live now is a sane society where there is law that is working. All because of this behavior maybe any of them arrest. Hey, you don't arrest because how had to so blind enough now how commit a crime. They don't even know when someone commit a crime. So
our point
sensitize about these people. Sensitize about these people. Una allow that animalistic behavior I manifest long enough.
it's about you.
Those people are so fatherless. And then let me tell you where that message you were to capable of making us chaos. Only the generation is so together. Of all any okay, let me that one. Educate, etc. Oh, where will go? Somebody who your now
Good evening.
houses. Oman go no attack Yao. What I go. Oman go Yao. Now all hands Yada appointed on him, on his direction. Of which the more ways to wait. Use that opportunity. We perfect all divert attention now. What I go. This kind of message Matthias in a preaches we do so bad is that now a lot of Ndi Igbo well plans commit evil. How it is under the guise of that message now commit atrocities.
Now you are talking. Now this is here you have just said the climax. Even I want Ndi Igbo na chokari opportunity. I may one thing or the other. Now just like to rightly say, so many people hide under the no we try cause another war, which Matthias no we are aware. But the point in there is banana how use the message, the kind of message on our pass. They capitalize on that to stand on their ground, Abi. That's what you are saying, Abi.
Yes, second.
Okay.
Yes,
That now this just like Ndi buying now I like he use the opportunity advantage to strike. Now some of these people are not really part of Matia, but they just hide under that Omenala or whatever to commit crime.
But
is it not? Is it what you are saying?
It is true.
Yeah. Now you are blaming it on partially the kind of message Matia delivers.
Yes.
That now the remedy Nyanwa he withdraws some words and change a kind of narrative. Okay.
Exactly.
That is the solution.
Exactly.
Now you have made the point. Which as I know that sometimes because I may like to pass a message, but the way she put it might not be all that kind conducive or diplomatic that or a favor both A and B. Which him and I will problem. Sometimes some of
I block one mother. Can I be when you kiss you? Okay, give me kiss you block on your block.
Iji, your second phone.
Yes, my second phone.
Just say ages now, maybe. The only person who block will buy our brother Frank, you will be because Frank, if you are not married women at my post, you are not upon all the Igbo people are Maharaji. I have been telling him all these days. Because I was not for
you. Reason each web block Frank will be man and can
But before I'm jogging, Brezu go jam at the
page.
It's a more at the page, my Megan.
And my page, and then on the right hand side of the page, you got a bottom. Ever actually went a setting.
Yes.
Empire.
Anyway, you got on a setting.
Yes.
Then it's cool or down. You got type on a setting and privacy. You got for setting and privacy. You got for options setting and privacy. Yeah. If you web the setting again, type or that second setting or web the quag.
Empire Maxinel.
Chelo come it's not taking it won't take time. If you go the second setting.
Privacy center for one setting and privacy.
Oh yeah, check if for audience and visit. Check go
to after the program, it is convenient.
Check audience and visibility. Only for audience and visibility.
Unless it's going on maybe
worry, chere ka emeche ka sendere gị na WhatsApp.
Conveniently.
Sendere gị na WhatsApp.
Only one particular girl. That girl, Hannah said a block. Okay, that's it. Then much shaitan ma for that girl. Now we will a block. Oh,
Guru is the first to reckon with it. Guru unblock or Guru is part of us.
So Brent go check enjoy ajụjụ niile before make contribution. Oh.
Just brief people.
Egotego m ihe ọ na-ekwu ya ike agwụna m.
Brief.
Okay, ha sị na afọ onye abụ Adaeze Ibe. So Brechike achọrọ m ịjụ gị ajụjụ na Germany ebe ibi Europe m na ibi. Let me use Germany for instance. And when any preacher, Christian preacher or Muslim leader, any content creator or an entertainer na call out na open place all over Germany. Okay,
that's a wonderful question. Number one, Rena Bonk is a German. All of us knew. He performed miracle in Africa. Right? Okay, now, okay. How many German pastors? Do you know the other German pastors? Okay, how many German pastors that give prophecy in Germany? Number one. How many German pastors that sell olive oil or pure water in Germany? How many German pastors have healed the crippled or whatever?
No. Pastor or Muslim or Muslim, I call them also Christian.
Okay. Now, your question is grand. Now, are you telling me that people? We have thousands of pastors. Yeah.
Good. Then that's in olive oil, more holy water or anything in Europe. I'm coming to that side. Okay. Let's Chukuka bukese jinaka kita. Okay. Chukuka yoyaka ijele bahe on maro no bo ahe Chukuka. Okay. What Chukwuka did or what he was doing on Facebook in any way, according to the law all over the world, because cyberbullying is a crime all over the world, plus also in Germany, both in Nigeria. He not committed any atom of crime, now any of his videos or activities on social media. Did you notice whether he commits or with personally as an individual? Do you think he committed any crime?
How will I know about the case in a court? Is the doctor, lawyers, or court judge or police will decide? I don't know.
I'm not in Germany. With your level of exposure, you've traveled to different countries. Okay, less activity on social media as an ordinary person, a layman, a lawyer. Okay, can you say that his activities on social media should be approved and others should be learning from him and be behaving like that?
Okay, give me an example of you, give me 1 or 2 or 3 examples.
Example is this Ibulumma like this. Secondly, because na onye police there and so no ga before the third one is this because na Ebukobi na Akozion no na they cannot touch him na how cowards because that they are fraud na how scam that they are stealing from people. Should I continue?
Continue now.
Okay, so with this ones mentioned already, okay, can you encourage other people to tread that path? Because him and can you encourage
am I encouraging people or discouraging people? Because you are in a country, me here that against the contrary to that, the law of that land, in as much as you are above 18, and your cognitive vehicle, like your cognitive system is in order, you are not immense, So anything you commit, the law are going to take its place, That's why we have the police and the law.
You understand my question?
Who am I to tell people an adult what to do?
You don't understand my question. I said.
I have to be honest.
Ezugo, I'm calling boss,
Okay.
All the
why I was asking you? I asked you these questions. Why I was asking you this?
No.
No, before before make contribution. Why I was asking you this question is for people are here to learn, not because of it, because you know the truth, but you don't want to say it. It's for others to learn.
You don't want to tell him this.
The truth is that there were a series of cyber. The truth is that there were a series of.
About the see that if now no maybe check them number man price not too much. Okay. Empire can Empire, you're looking nice today. You go new black Brazilian hair. Huh?
No, I don't buy hair in Europe. Now we're missing that. I have more than 25 pieces of hair.
Okay, you are looking beautiful today.
Thank you.
My brother and sister, I book on one. I have to we love Ebuka, we love Ijele, we love Matthias, we love everybody.
I don't love everybody because everybody don't love me. You
are going to hell. Remember, if you hate your brother, you are going to Matthew.
I like everybody, but I don't love everybody. Do you know what love is?
Then you go to hell. Is it not what is in Bible?
I like everybody, I don't love everybody.
Jesus loves you. And Jesus commanded you to love your neighbor. Jesus commanded you to love your enemy.
My neighbor. Everybody is not my neighbor. Bye-bye.
Jesus asked you to love your enemy. To love your enemy. Is it not what the Bible said?
Bible said that I should not suffer a wish to live.
Relax, yeah, we are one. What are you? Ogachima. Thank you, sir.
Bye. I'm happy. Ogachima, welcome, sir. Yeah, so what I want to contribute is this.
I called you today. You're busy. You have to go. You're busy that time. What do you? But you actually every time I only hold a program here was this Christianity and religion. Everything concerning condemnation of the pastors in the Bible many because I like Ejike na batana program sometimes because Ejike was a controversial woman, not even a controversial human being.
Cunning.
Very cunning, and I don't like that. I like when I gonna and when a program I run today,
Ogachima, your voice is too low. I can't even hear what you are saying. This is
yeah.
Very well. Also from your side.
How need your headset? Oh, mother, when I in a comment section ever. She the better you to say louder.
Check into my other phone because none of man at the screen.
Okay. It is the headset.
I open up my headset.
Your voice is okay now. Your voice is okay now.
So, I'm going to program on Mother Run this afternoon. You got to go. So, and you man here you know Destiny Kwoku, and people are keep the Marana Puta. On a hard ma coke no man. I don't really like that man. I'm not a mafia, but I want white. Onye obula apụtakwa na ya agbakwa na ahụ ọnụ white otam shiri gba ahụ ọnụ white peta akọ uche anọ ha n'ishi ya nọrọ ebe ọ nọ na-akọ eri maka ọnwụ na onye a nwere nne na nna nwee ụmụnne nwee background nwee ihe a na-akpọ foundation nwee integrity to protect ọ gaghị apụta n'ihu akwụkwọ ya na-condemn ụmụnne ya ịghọtago ọ gaghị apụta n'ihu akwụkwọ ya na-condemn ụmụnne ya not only because of how can a grown up man dey like that mepere ire ya wee na-akọ na Ebuka Obi ji ikpere wee na-aga na Portugal but na ọ gaghị agagwa Tinubu okwu ọ gaghị agwa Buhari okwu ọ gaghị agagwa ndị gọọmenti okwu and Ejike nọ there. Ejike was making a serious comment see ya happen there. He was one of the highest commenter no ebe ahụ na comment things. So I wonder ahụ ọ bịakwara ebe a kịta na-ekwugharị ọnụ ebe ọ bụla ọ pụtara ọmapụta na-ekwugharị ọnụ amaghị m ebe this guy kwụ akwụ n'elu ụwa. I don't know where he stands. Ọ bụrụ na ị chọrọ ịnọ with ndị na-eme ihe ga ebe a nọrọ gị na ha na-ekwugharị ọnụ apụtazi na ebe na confuse ndị mmadụ ọ pụta the next thing ọ sị ga-emecha na ọ ga-akpọ gị na backyard ọ pụta ọ na-eme comment na ọ ga-akpọ gị na backyard. What kind of comment is that? We know that in everything enwere ndị ọjọọ nwe ndị ọma. But this particular person na-ekwu okwu ya, gịnị ka o mere? Ka ihe ọ ga-eji bụrụ na ngụ nwanne ya ga-eji apụta n'ihu akwụkwọ gaa na-akọgheri. Ịghọtago ihe niile a na-ekwu ihe a, kedu ka nwoke a ga-esi wee na-efulu ụwa niile, ihe niile na-eso ya? You understand me? Ka ọ ga-esi wee pụta ya wụrụ na ihe niile na-eso nwoke ma n'ụwa niile ebe ọ nọ n'ụwa niile na ha ncha niile na ọ na-efulu ya. I don't like it. Iwe onye Igbo wụrụ onye Imo steeti wụrụ onye arọ ndị Izọgụ. And most of them na-akọ akụkọ omenala kedu ihe amawo omenala. How old are they? Are they older than my father? Kedu ihe ụnụ ụmụ ga-akọwa gbasara omenala? Ị gatụbeghị na be nna gị jee were ọjị tụọ n'ala were ọfọdụ na gị jido. Nna gị mụtara gị amụta enwe ha ọfọ. O maintain ha ọfọdụ na ya debere. Ụnụ ọma ihe wu omenala. Ụnụ ọma ihe wu the origin of omenala. Your great grandfather, ịma the history of your great grandfather. Ịma ihe o mere. Ịghọtago ụnụ na-akọ akụkọ omenala. Ụnụ ọma ihe mere. Ke ihe ụnụ ma wa arọ. Ihe wa arọ. Ka akọwa arọ wụ ndị bịara abịa n'obodo. Ịghọtago a na-ekwu arọ wụ ndị bịara abịa maka anyị na-anọ n'ihu akwụkwọ na-ekwu okwu ka akọwara gị ihe wa arọ. Ka akọwara gị ihe wa arọ ka ịghọta ihe wa arọ. Ịghọtago ị naghị aghọta ma ndị abịrịba ma gịnị ihe niile awa arọ ha ncha niile ebe a na-akpọ arọ chukwu ma arọ ndị Izọgụ. All of you are the same thing. Ị na-akọ akụkọ omenala. Ị gaa na Germany ibiri na Germany, ị gaa na America ibiri na America, ị naghị alara ụlọ. Ị naghị alara ụlọ. You understand? Ịpụta na-akọ na iwu onye omenala. Kutu onye omenala ka ịwụ. Kutu onye omenala. Ugboro ole ka ị na-ala na village ụnụ jee wụọ ọchị jee soro rie ji gbaa mmanya n'ala because ọnwụ na ị nwere foundation nwere ebe ị nọ. By now people ga na-etresi gị kedu ebe onye ashi. Kedu ebe onye ashi wee pụta. You understand? Kedu ebe onye ashi etresi ya nwe nna etresi ya nne gị etresi ya nna gị amara ebe ishi wee pụta. Ka ihe ị ga-eji wee pụta wee wụrụ obstacle wee nyere enweghị onye na-anaghị afụ ihe onye a mere. Ọnwụ na erivise ya back ga-eweta ihe Ijele a na-ekwu okwu ya ihe o mere back in the days. Ịma that na ọ dị kama na-esogharị nwoke a. Ịghọtago ịma na ọ kama ihe na-esogharị ya ndị nwa na-abịa ekwu okwu kedu ihe ị na-eme kedu achievement gị kedu omume gị iwe onye omenala ke ndị inyere n'aka. What are you doing? What message are you passing to the people? Kedu ihe ị na-eme n'obodo gị ndị be nna gị ama onye ewu a na-apụta na-akọ ndị enwefu onye kedu ihe nwoke a mere gị o nyere gị nshi o nyere gị o nwere onye apụtara na n'ụlọ ụka ahụ na nke Ebuka Obi ebute ewere nwanna buru ozu onye a bupụ ya si n'ebe a ka a pịgburu ya. Ịghọtago enwe ụdị ebu na na-ebobeghị onye a ka ọ ga-esi wụrụ na ọngụ nwanne ya wee ga na-agba ya ụkwụ ka ọ ga-esi wụrụ na ọngụ nwanne ya ga na-agba ya ụkwụ oge ọbụla a na-ekwu ofu okwu a na-ekwu ofu okwu every day a na-ekwu ofu okwu. This same guy pụta ebe ọ mịla ọ na-atagheri ọnụ. Ịghọtago ịgala ebe ọ na-atagheri ọnụ ekwugo m ya dat na onye pụtara obodo oyibo Chineke agozie ya ọnwụ na ihe na-agara ya. Ilechazie ndị nọ n'ala Igbo ịghọtago isi ha na ha agazina chọọchị na ha ekpezina Chineke. A man of somebody who an American way white adego na nke Ebuka Obi testify ya na enwere city and enwere particular town na close to him na na-ekpe ekpere dia for since 20 if I'm not mistaken also not since 2007 na na-ekpe ekpere 24 hours till today na aka na-ekpe ekpere dia. Asị na anaghị ndị mmadụ asị na anaghị ekpe ekpere n'obodo oyibo na enweghị chọọchị n'obodo oyibo. Oge ọbụla this guy apụta ebe a na-confuse mmadụ were problem na-eti n'ala Igbo a na-ekwu nke a na-ekwu okwu onye nọ n'obodo oyibo pụtara apụta ga na-achọ ka peace dị na be nna ya. Ọnwụ na enwere ụlọ ị nwere nwe ọkụkọ nwee ewu ị gaghị abịa na-amụnye ọkụ n'ịntanetị. Ịbịa n'ịntanetị na-amụnye ọkụ isi m na ịgbara ahụ ọnụ iwu okongwu nwụchiri mmiri ara afọ yiri singlet ịpụta na-akọgheri at your age. Ị na-echekwa na ị ga-ala nka na be nna gị. Ị na-echekwa na enwere ihe idebere ọkụkọ na ewu ahụ idebere na ha ga-adị ndụ elakwuru ha. Ndị mmadụ pụta a na-ekwu ya na-akụkwa aka na-akụ aka gbamgbam orukwechi na ya ọ dị frustrated eshiko onwe ka o si nwee problem daa stroke ebula ya na Naijiria na ya ga ebe aha chọọ onye ga-atụrụ ya ego a ga-eji ga aka lie ya. Dimkpa na-akọgheri ịpụta na-atagheri ọnụ n'ihu akwụkwọ. Ndị be anyị si na ebe a na-agwọ nshi ọdụ anya anaghị eti ya ose. Kedu ihe ị na-akọrọ ịpụta ebe ị na-eduhie ụmụachị ka ị na-eduhiri ụmụachị omume gị ọmaka. Kedu ihe ọnwụ ị na-eme? What is the achievement in the country? Ị na-asụ pastọ ya ga-ame Ebuka Obi ga-ame ha attack ga-ame ndị president na ndị gọvanọ attack na ha na ndị gọọmenti na ha niile na-erikọ. Ngịwa na onwe gị iwu na-anọghị na gọọmenti na-anọghị na chọọchị kedu achievement gị? Ejike a na-akwụgharị na ejike mmadụ ole ka ọ na-akwụrụ ụgwọ skuul na be nna ya na vileji ya? Ụzọ ole ka ọ rụrụ? Somebody rụrụ ụzọ na Anambra steeti. Somebody were ego onye bi na Amerịka lara be nna ya ga were akwụkwọ from Abuja were from the state governor gaa na be nna ya rụọ 5 km road. Ọnya ka na-akpọ dike rụọ 5 km road. Ịpụtara na ọ na Germany na-awụgharị ọnụ gọọmenti ọ bụ na gọọmenti ewetaghị nye gọọmenti na Amerịka anyị enwere stars na-eweta ihe nye gọọmenti nyere gọọmenti aka bie gọọmenti ego Trump nwere uru ọ bara Amerịka ịghọtago ị na-akọ eri mmadụ pụta ebe ahụ ọkpacha ahụ ọnụ agadi nwoke nwa ihe gosiri mmadụ onwe Igbo ọ pụta ebe a mepee peji ọ bụ na enwere ihe dispan pasịrị na ndị a na o nwere ego kedu ihe ọ na-achọrọ ego Facebook enwere ọgba ya nọ na Facebook na-achọ ego Facebook ndị niile mmaji all my big boss mma na Amerịka mma na Germany enwe nke nwere ike ka ọ na-achọ ka ihe a na-akpụ ya bụ Peter na Nsugbe Okwute na Nsugbe nọ na Hamburg ka ihe ọ na-abịa achọ n'iru akwụkwọ si na ọ na-emepe peji agadi nwoke dị ka ọ na-abịa azọ $500 na Facebook iwe na-eme ya ọyibia wee pụta ọyibia nwere kọmpanị ọyibia tiri ndị mmadụ na-akwụ ha salari na Naịjirịa nwee kọmpanị obodo oyibo ebe a gị na-ekọ na atọ nwa ị mụrụ amụ gị na ya na-akọ ọnụ ị na-akọtụ Ebuka Obi ọmụka ndị Ebuka Obi na-enye ndị Ebuka Obi wee institution Ebuka Obi is an industry it's an industry nonsense people are na-akọ ọrụ onye Chineke gosiri te mmanụ hapụrụ dis man ọ nọrọ onwe ya ọ na-eme arenji kedu ihe na-eme n'obodo oyibo ọ na-eme arenji kedu ihe na-eme ihe na-echọ onye ọchị ga-eburu akpa ya onye ori at your age ịnọ na 60 years enwe ihe pasịrị 70 enwe ihe pasịrị ọ mgbe ị gbara 90 years ka ị ga-apasịta something agadi nwoke na-amụnye ọkụ ka ị na-amụnye ọkụ na be nna gị mụnye ọkụ n'ala Igbo ifudugo onye Yoruba nọ na da eji na-apụta n'iru akwụkwọ jide ọ dị ji oso n'ala Yoruba na-akọ ndị emu ha ifudugo onye Yoruba nọ na eji ahụ ifudugo onye Hausa nọ na eji ahụ na-akọ dị akọ I'm very shameful. I'm ashamed of that man. From today, anywhere I'm put, I don't come to that place, and I will not.
I'm telling you.
Here now. Don't ever mention my name anywhere, and I will not mention your name because let's call a spell a spell. I drop my case here.
Cooked one, okay.
Well spoken, Ogachima. Okay, him and assist. Now come back. The truth is that him and the by Facebook ara can I this year cause us on the Igbo on Facebook, okay? Now
there's a welcome back.
Before now, and okay yesterday. Before now, I'm a Catholic. And when you pass around the Catholic and then I'm Ishi. Ebuka Obi is the only person who low down. Stop the one here pass around Catholic. Okay. Now this was Stramloniana. I've called one of my friends who are on Zion. Can we register? A registered Zionite in Austrian branch. I want to be a Zion member official. Okay. You know.
Yes.
Anybody that is on social media who doesn't like what Ebuka Obi is doing should start up all Omenala Kichori, maybe do Omenala church. Ota Gio no should be there now. Make sure your Omenala grows. Kiwikedi as popular and recognized as Ebuka Obi. Afoleke Ebuka Obi no, he's still a very young man. No. Facebook meru mwoke Igbo enwezi ike nwere shame. Also nneme omenala, but una amazigi ihe wo omenala nneme omenelu because of social media. Ị ga-ahụ agadi nwoke gbara azụ ọnụ white ma ọrụ ọgachi m. Ya pụtara na Facebook because of Ebuka Obi, a young guy. Ọwụ na ịmụwara nwa when you are 18 years, 20 years, ị ga-amụta ọgba Ebuka Obi buru oche nọrọ ọdụ with ụmụazị. Na-akọkwu mpụta na Facebook KHC, you are a nuisance. So no sim na akparu nwoke Igbo. Make am chukwalo na ajuju biko na don't mean to insult any of you. Ihe niile am hụ na Facebook ade Igbo men. Ihe niile am hụ na Facebook ihe owu nwoke Igbo. As these are the people that are leaders of tomorrow. Ogawu ụmụaka anyị na-amụta na they are actually training this next generation to behave well. With this character, I hoga na Facebook. Kahaja azuga ụmụaka ha desara n'ụlọ. Ali whether you guys like it or not. Enwe ga-emepe ọnụ kwuo ka gị hụ single wisdom ebe ọ nọ. Ebuka Obi. The truth is this. Ka mme okwu m ka m gbuo ya nkenke. The truth is this. If you commit a crime, call it cyber bullying. Na Facebook where you bully any preacher now na Nigeria. any pastor, unless the pastor should make you ignore. You got bad for it. Stop bullying people that can feed you. Those of you on my Facebook, Ebukobi can single-handedly take care of your generation. Not there again, man, make we every day. Iga no obodo Igbo. I need no obodo Igbo no here na hustling. As old as these people are, I can no obodo Igbo na zo onyo chasa yesa. People that are Facebook, gina ake Ebukobi that is doing things you know you can't do until you're dogging ala. A lot of rubbish. Ijele no today, he has to answer to the accusations. He know more about Ebukobi. That is how the law works. Police. Where we live abroad, you don't bully somebody and go free. Europe in general, you cannot call a woman fat. You are looking so fat and dirty. Abroad, you control your tongues. But when you come to Igbo cyberspace, people, even in your comfort zone abroad, we don't bully abroad. If you bully and police is called on you, you are going to be taken to court. It will put damages. So anybody that commits crime, I told you people that he bullied people. That was why he was arrested. If you bully people, it's a crime against the law. When the kind of comments bully, report all the comments to police. Facebook will tell you if their response is not okay for you, that you should report to the nearest police around you. If you think your life is at stake or you are being threatened, even Facebook know cyberbullying. They know what is cyber stalking. You can't carry video and all over. This guy he did not start with Ebukobi. And what the pastor no know what this guy na bully na social media. You cannot print somebody's picture. Na Facebook. Somebody that doesn't know that you exist. See, no one scam. You have to provide the people he has scammed. You cannot tell the Nigerian police and authorities that they cannot touch you, that you are untouchable. Even DSS cannot come close to you. You need to go and explain. Police. Please, Igbo brothers and sisters, if you want to create content, be careful what you say with your mouth. Free. The day one person will remember you, those ones that were ignoring you will come out. They will come out to present evidence against you. Okay, you guys are seeing it. Somebody started it. Other people now submit to see videos. Please, let's be guided. One of the too sentimental in Nigeria. You guys are too sentimental, unnecessarily sentimental. Why the outcry? Why are you people complaining? I thought you guys said he's untouchable. I thought you guys said you have that once if you're not afraid to touch Ijele. Police said totally an investigation. Allow the police to do their work. If he's found guilty, Ogaga court, Gazaroniana court. Police is your friend. All peace ka police. Watch how the past 2 weeks till now. Is Facebook not peaceful? Are you hearing all those things again? Can you hear people bullying people's parents, people's children on social media for the past 2 weeks? Please, una support is job. Kaman no happy Ishi. Ever come ga happy go there for na Brazil go. Let me not forget to appreciate you who get it very smooth too, eh? Let you who get shine again. No, hey, Chineke look at what I'm about. See, no people like you. No people anywhere. This guy got create a Telegram group now. Share, for the people the close to us, Gigi. strange number bajo na that telegram gahu ihe onye eji na unu na-ekwu ya na-eme na-ebu ashi ike ụmụ nwaanyị si people gadawa bịa lee ike mme ya de he was actually a role model to some of you. That this guy was actually a role model to most of you. I don't get it. Achọrọ m ikwu okwu religion onye chọrọ ibu omenala n'ishi eburu ya ka ọ nyugbuo ya. Achọrọ m ibu okwu church onye chọrọ ibu church n'ishi. But the truth is that I started defending Ebuka Obi even before thinking about being a Zionite. And Ebuka Obi doesn't know that I exist. I have to say the truth. Enough is enough. Unu kwụsị nzuzu na Facebook is not content. You can't be bullying, tarnishing the image of your brothers and sisters. This in a create content in our views. Can we go? Please, let's be guided. A word is enough for the wise. I think
okay, this thing bidoro for even here na akpọ na Facebook ta ha bidoro ikwu ihe. I remember those days. Here like I confront her with ideas, with your own idea of if I had the moment the people bidoro what she has here also her graduated from it we in a different areas.
When somebody was tarnishing my husband's image in a social media, on a live video like this, all time on a live video. Now what the whole world. No wonder ni him jina me invite Kobia na bem, no Kobia ram munye madu, no Kobia na no wonder that I was mounting pressure ya na aba. Look at me. Now na mount pressure on that stout. The same Ijela. When he came to Austria, okay, he made a video na Ezawo. I think Ezawo been at Vienna, so I don't know. I have his number. I now I sent him a voice record or wrote him. I said, because he used to come to my page. On a page, he has done videos with me. Not the responsible. When I was talking about tradition and culture, that time Imo State, how much had the whole villages and all that. I got interested in him. So this guy is intelligent. He came to Nkezawo. I contacted him and said, Austria. I live in Austria. You can visit us. It's a normal thing abroad. But anywhere in Europe, I will pay his ticket to come to my house. I live with my husband. I'm gonna be here. Now, why? You understand? I will entertain him. I was ready to pay his fee. You got about 3 hours train to my house here. I'll pay for it. Yeah, it's just 3 hours from Ezawa's place. You know, he couldn't come. I think he now later went to Switzerland to see China, Swiss, not Ezawa. But I think the only thing that made him not to come was transport, because I did not promise him that I will pay. I just see Abia. I don't know Jego, he would have come. Because also the Ibuga gave everywhere. Okay, I don't have any enemy, but now he made himself an enemy then. Another platform, nonsense about somebody's wife. Did I tell anybody that I live alone? Oh, be here. I'm gonna be here. So how can I be inviting somebody to my house? Oh, when I live with my husband. It's all these things are stupidity. They derive joy in bullying people, tarnishing people's images. Oh, after that video, that video is saved on my phone here. This guy is a useless guy. Okay? So let's be guided. But on Facebook, and you know one thing, when I told 1 or 2 people privately, na Ijele no Austria, I'm telling you the truth. They were telling me, don't ever say I'm not hiding anything. What is there? How Europe or Nigeria? He can't do anything. Okay, so even in December time, HK would have visited me in Bobble and watched on Austria. Until when influenza, when viral infection, everyone around and all that. He couldn't travel outside Germany. So what is on Facebook?
Daisy.
Yeah,
the worst mistake you get me. Imanambe this guy na Ejike bịara na Chicago. Ị ma na ọ dị m shima nwakwala anwa n'ụwa nke a onye ọwụla si from Facebook ma aga m itinye ya. Ọ mee invite. Ejechakwala m ejecha ji kpọrọ this guy kpọta ya na be m. Ji ma won n'ụwa m. And that could have been the worst mistake in him away for this guy and a bench. I'm not playing again.
Yeah, no, I won't try.
This guy didn't steady. This guy now make up. This guy now make up. Only when he 1 million. I got direct your worst. Dim Baramu, you know, go to dim with brain in a way. He's only a win here before you amen. So, when go that way, go that way, go that way. Go that way. That day after the channel, yes, na gay day, my boy, unless my traditional app today. Now, I and Dokuya who ban a muru do today because I carry one or that thing. I reckon, so, my boy, I'm gonna belly. What is that down off? Oh, didn't baram. You only name it. What diggy? Going again, I've been because how can I get married?
No, I told
you know better than
him, I can't invite somebody to my house without telling him. I told him my husband ain't went so good because sometimes we don't work there.
Yeah, when him so good, or when him so good, all would the things say got put on he made that pain in it. It's not about the man ain't when so what would they? Hage linga, Haga twisted the things. Come he got put on email.
Yeah.
Or who when him so good or when so good. Dim can when so good. What about I got put on email each
Yeah, I understand.
That's the thing. So, my Facebook, I've given him active now.
No, I'm telling me. We did this 1 year on Facebook. I'm telling my Holland team. So Facebook ends in Facebook.
You got put on with the problem.
Yeah.
Oge mbata Facebook of all na address kono these people. Ne acho can confront her with fact. Somebody will come one day. The first person nyeru number na Facebook will come one day we see me sugo. Na mana ha no go na eme this thing before we bata. Now these people are ghọta this language na aso. Now these people are ghọta this language na aso. You want to go? No, Kalamumma, Namu changing my tone to tone higher than water. And I did exactly what that person said. Then water now for true Nonya has got to go these people.
Yeah.
Because Ikwe Isho Kagona Hajebe fat check. Had already. If I had already now, Apoyi Nenu, Aporian New, Aporian Nago, Aponka. Have already discussed on any issue with you. Now, this is what I believe in. Like, when we refer pathology,
pilots, but I'm gonna check no mecha. I will come back.
When we refer Jade Mogu for the
cheap pilots to rejoin.
When we refer go for the Afubo Meva ever. And we vote on Jemo go for the not try can now bring the people who will different opinion from my own. At least, yeah, pilot, you are welcome.
Okay, darling. Good darling. Darling. That's fine. You're taking that mute because you go because some time. I'm just getting home. You see, I'm on the street walking home. And if they water, if they military boozer, Christian was insulting you, if they meaning that they didn't go to school, a man that took a 65-year-old baby, ganja bamba class. If they really, I tell you, say, I no go leave you. This guy made a sham marriage from Turkey over Meruzo. Met baby, the useless Deborah, the prostitute that trafficked in gay Poto from Turkey where he was selling doll. He did not favor him. Then went to Ghana, they did arrange documents for him to marry, to do some marriage. Debbie never visited Nigeria. Debbie is a 65-year-old woman that deals with senior citizens. You see when they are doing exercise, dancing, very hopeless idiots. That want to kill Ogechi. Only somebody Ogechi with common 22,000. Ọ sị na ya tọrọ Ogechi na-arụsị na ọ nọ shrine 2 days ka o nyere 3 days ka o nyere Ogechi ka ọ bịaza ya na if not arụsị ga-egbu Ogechi. Do you know that arụsị ya kpụrụ Ishi? Arụsị ya ga-ajụ obi. Arụsị ya eruo embassy ajụ arụsị akwụkwọ sị ya go and kill your family members. That guy is a pauper. That boy with long mouth that has been Rana Agadifu, a 35-year-old boy that is marrying a 65-year-old woman. You know what? You're the useless Anambra guy that I've ever seen. You did not see your age mate. David's granddaughter is your age mate because of documents. You decided to sell your birthright like Esau. Yes, your wife, your useless wife Vivian in Nigeria with your Hutchins and follow the Janja clause, Bamba clause. Useless idiot, no future. You know what? If you want, everybody are going to bring email address. Email address. We are consulting all those Canadian authorities. I tell you, say, when I go call, I never even call or send. I go do live video. I go call and report. So I have your travel documents. If I go see and why you can work it, you came out from a woman's nyash, and I go use my nyash to kill you. Honestly, this boy a very poor guy. If you auto shame instigates, the useless wife also know who Debbie. We are contacting Madonna, also cable at the person was asylum seeker. Now only the turn here. And I see they cannot do for me. Do what you are daring me. I wish you know me. You don't know me very well. If I am a woman, you get megidegi, I go stagger you and kiss you. Look at Kingston